You can use shape searching for many applications inside Geopointe. Maybe you want to find leads within your sales territory or look for open orders within a delivery radius of a restaurant. If you're not familiar with creating and editing datasets, make sure you check out our videos and articles on the topic before you start searching inside Geopointe. When you select the shape search method at the top of the control panel and load a dataset, Geopointe will only load results that are located within the shapes that are on the map at that time. I have a saved shape here called John's Sales Territory, so I'm going to click that and go ahead and load it to the map. So here we have John's Territory. Now I'll load a leads dataset by clicking it, and it's only going to show me leads within that shape. So from here, John can plan a route or plan some outreach to his leads that are in his territory. You can easily create shapes using the drawing tools on the right side of the map. Maybe you want to search within a given radius of a location, so you could create a circle shape. Click that location to create that radius. The Draw a Polygon tool can be really useful for searching within really customized shapes. So for example, if you want to search within a quick detour of your route for more records that you can add to your route that day, I have a route loaded here. I'm going to use the Draw a Polygon tool and create a shape around it. Now I'm going to load a leads dataset, and I'm going to see if there's any leads I can add to my day to get the most out of my day. It looks like I have a few leads available here. Quick pro tip, you can actually star datasets and shapes and any other layers so that they auto-load. So what I've done is star this dataset and this shape so that every time you load the map, these two layers will load, and then you can quickly do your analysis on the fly as your data changes. If you have multiple shapes loaded on the map, the shape search is going to search within all of them. To avoid that, just click on the shape. This actions window will open, and use this drop-down, select search, and then select your data set from there, and it will only search within that shape. Another thing I want to mention is the Geopointe shape library. This is the other way you can create shapes, and it's using predefined boundaries. So if you want to search for data within a certain county or country or state, etc., you can use this library to create a shape and search within it. Another thing to keep in mind is that you don't need to save shapes in order to search within them. As long as they're on the map, you can use them for a search, but if you want to reference them later, make sure you do click that Actions drop-down to save the shape. For more information on creating and using shapes and conducting searches with datasets in Geopointe, check out our help site and our video library.